It's fun to have holidays. You can do whatever you like, and you don't have to get up too early to do your homework or think of troubles at school. Most of all, we enjoy summer holidays. They're great. It's a pleasure to have a rest after a whole year of hard work and study. People like traveling during their summer holidays. Some people go abroad to see new countries. Some people explore their own country, and some spend their holidays in cities, where they can go sightseeing, visit museums or theatres. In summer, many theatre companies travel around the world with their new plays. Some people prefer to go to the countryside and enjoy country life, far from the noise and fuss of the big cities. For many people, a beach holiday is the most exciting. We can spend a lot of time swimming, playing on the beach, or having fun with our friends and families. Activity holidays are becoming more and more popular nowadays. Skydiving, cycling, whitewater rafting, mountaineering, camping and hiking attract teenagers and adults. You can go on foot, go by bicycle or by boat. Traveling and playing sport is good for our health and our mind. If you want to see animals in the wild, you can go on a safari holiday. But be careful, you can't touch wild animals and you mustn't feed them. Some people travel to different countries aboard a cruise liner. Traveling by ship means tourists can relax and keep fit. Some ships have bowling alleys, ice skating rinks, rock climbing walls, basketball courts, and tennis courts. There are lots of types of holiday to go on. There are a lot of means of transport to travel by. There are a lot of places to visit. If you want to have a nice and safe holiday, you must plan it well. A lot of people use a travel agency service. Others prefer to organize trips themselves. A package holiday is one of the most convenient and interesting holidays you can have. There are so many interesting places in the world, and people can learn about them at the travel agency. Travel agencies have to think and worry about our trips, but there are some tours travel agencies can't offer. If people want more freedom, they can make their holiday plans and go anywhere they want. Making your own holiday plans can be a great experience, but professionals can organize our holidays better.